Hello, how are you? Today I'm sharing with you little things that have a big impact with students. Let's have a look at the first one. Greeting them at the door, ideally in target language. I always say to them, welcome back, and I try to have little conversations about how is your day going, are you having a nice week, and all those things that make a difference and help you establish the relationships with students. Following through what you say, so if you say you're going to make a positive phone call, you need to make that positive phone call. If you say you're going to contact parents by email, you do so. It's about being consistent and following what you say you're going to do. Staying calm when they don't. Sometimes students get frustrated, as we do as well, but we need to stay calm every single time. One thing that I never do is I never shout. So I can be telling someone off, but in a very, very calm and assertive way, and that is what you need to do, because if they see you agitated, they're gonna get worse. So it's about keeping calm and firm. Apologizing if you get something wrong. For example, if you make a mistake, saying sorry to them, that's part of being human, and it makes you more close to them as well. Also, using positive framing. For example, in my school we've got a hands up policy, and if they don't do it, you could say to the students who do it first, thank you very much for following the instruction, thank you so and that way you are gaining more students doing the same routine. Celebrating mistakes, so making your lessons a place where mistakes are part of the learning process and no one laughs at anyone. We all learn together, and you can rely on your own experience and say to them, look, when I was learning English, this happened, and so on, and make it relatable to them. Noticing effort. You may have some difficult classes, but are you noticing what students are doing well? If they have a particular good day, do you phone home to say well done to them? And finally, humor. I think that's really important as a teacher. I think making a joke sometimes and saying something funny that happened to you, or you make a mistake in the classroom and you just laugh at it. It's really fun, and also makes them think that you are a human being. Hope it helps, and hope you can apply some of these things. Gracias.